I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast, like a roast, like a gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gotta learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Grab it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off, knowing I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient. Without my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of making. Modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I'll delve into handling missing values using a dataset that contains them. For now, let's proceed with exploring the insights from this dataset without the need for handling any missing values. Next, we'll import the Matplotlib and Seaborn libraries for further data analysis and visualization. Matplotlib is a powerful library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. Seaborn, built on top of Matplotlib, provides a high-level interface for drawing attractive and informative statistical graphics. These tools will help us better understand our dataset through various plots and charts. Next, let's create a variable to store the integer columns from our dataset. This will make it easier for us to perform further analysis specifically on these numerical variables. By isolating the integer columns, we can quickly apply various statistical methods and visualizations without dealing with non-numeric data. Next, let's create a histogram for the numeric variables. Histograms are useful for visualizing the distribution of numerical data. By plotting histograms for our integer variables, we can easily see the frequency distribution and identify any patterns or outliers in the data. This will help us gain a deeper understanding of the numerical aspects of our dataset. Here we have histograms for all numerical variables. In each graph, the x-axis represents the numeric variable, and the y-axis represents the frequency. These histograms help us understand the distribution of each numeric variable and identify patterns, trends, or outliers in the data. Next, let's create box plots for the variables. Box plots are a great way to visualize the distribution of data and identify any outliers. Each box plot will show the median, quartiles, and potential outliers for each variable, providing a clear summary of the dataset's distribution characteristics. Next, let's create pair plots for the variables. Pair plots are useful for visualizing the relationships between multiple variables. They provide a matrix of scatter plots, showing the correlation between each pair of variables in the dataset. This can help us identify trends and patterns in the data, as well as potential correlations between variables. Next, let's find the correlation between the numeric variables. Correlation measures the strength and direction of the relationship between two variables. By calculating the correlation matrix, we can identify which variables are positively or negatively correlated with each other. This information is crucial for understanding the interdependencies within our dataset and can guide further analysis and modeling. Next, let's plot a heat map for the correlation matrix. A heat map visually represents the correlation between numeric variables, making it easy to identify strong and weak correlations. In the heat map, each cell's color intensity indicates the strength of the correlation, with darker colors representing stronger correlations. This will help us quickly spot relationships between variables in our dataset. Next, let's create box plots for the categorical variables using a for loop. Box plots for categorical variables help us understand the distribution of the numerical data within each category. By iterating through each categorical variable, we can generate individual box plots that display the spread, median, and potential outliers for each category, providing valuable insights into how different categories compare. Here are all the box plots for the categorical variables. These plots provide visual representations of the distribution of numerical data within each category. By examining each box plot, we can gain insights into how the numerical values vary across different categories, allowing us to understand the relationships between categorical and numerical variables in our dataset. Next, let's perform feature engineering by encoding categorical variables. Encoding categorical variables involves converting them into numerical representations that machine learning algorithms can understand. We'll use encoding techniques such as one-hot encoding or label encoding to transform categorical variables into a format suitable for analysis and modeling. Let's explore advanced data visualization techniques using a heat map. Heat maps are powerful tools for visualizing complex datasets by representing data values with colors. We'll create a heat map to uncover patterns, correlations, or trends in our data that may not be immediately apparent from simple plots. This advanced visualization method will provide deeper insights into the relationships between variables and help us make more informed decisions in our analysis.